Hey guys, and the most awaited speed test comparison is finally here, the Xiaomi Mi 10 versus the OnePlus 8 Pro. So both these comes with similar design language. There's a punch hole, there's 8655G CPU, 120Hz versus 90Hz, and Quad HD display versus Full HD panel. Yeah, I'll be also sharing some camera samples by the end of this video, so make sure to watch full video and like and subscribe. So kicking things with a boot up comparison in 3, 2 and 1, here we go. Xiaomi versus OnePlus, Oxygen OS versus MIUI. Let's see which one wins this race. Okay guys, you can see the Xiaomi Mi 10 is a winner in terms of the boot up comparison, and that was really fast, faster than the Galaxy S20 Plus and the iPhone as well. So they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and there are same applications that will be used only for testing. Dialer, OnePlus, messages, camera. Okay, that was same. Play Store, that is quicker on the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now settings. Now yes, these were some basic applications. Let's move to some heavy games and applications. So Angry Birds in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so the Xiaomi Mi 10 is the winner here, not a huge difference. Subway Surfers, OnePlus wins here. Now some internet based applications like Quora, OnePlus wins. Reddit, that is quicker on OnePlus, you can see that. Instagram, okay, so quicker on both these phones, there's not a huge difference at all. My Profile and same. Apple Music, Xiaomi Mi 10 wins. Now some really huge games, PUBG 3, 2, 1. You can see the animation difference, and let's see which one wins. This is a main game. So OnePlus is your winner here. Yes guys. And that's by a noticeable difference. COD, so OnePlus wins again. Mortal Kombat in 3, 2, 1. You can clearly see the difference in terms of the speed and performance of Xiaomi Mi 10 versus the OnePlus 8 Pro. So the OnePlus 8 Pro is a clear winner, and that's by a huge margin guys. This one is the smartphone you have to beat in terms of the performance and speed in 2020. Now Video Shop, rendering 1080p 60 fps, let's go. Now in this one Xiaomi is doing really great. Okay, that was really quick guys. Now let's see which smartphone has refreshed the applications. Phone dialer, okay, Xiaomi. Messages, Xiaomi again. Play Store, Angry Birds. Yeah, Xiaomi is actually reloading this application. COD, Mortal Kombat, PUBG, Reddit, Xiaomi again, Quora, Xiaomi once again. So guys, the OnePlus 8 Pro wins in terms of the RAM management and also in terms of opening most applications and games. In terms of booting up, the Xiaomi Mi 10 is a clear winner, and in terms of rendering, the Xiaomi Mi 10 wins. Now I'll be sharing some camera samples and you can see the details, the saturation, the color accuracy in both these phones. Here's the normal shot, a telephoto shot and a wide angle shot. You can see the details in the Xiaomi Mi 10 are better than the OnePlus 8 Pro, and that's cause of a huge camera sensor, the 108 megapixel. However, the OnePlus 8 Pro colors are more accurate than the Xiaomi Mi 10. The Xiaomi Mi 10 oversaturates the color. In this image you can see the sky difference. The selfie shooter is great in both these phones. In some close images, the Xiaomi Mi 10 has a hazy effect which is not there in the OnePlus 8 Pro. So guys, that's all. Thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.